Hello, today we'll be looking at number formatting. We are going to look at the various ways of formatting our numbers. And so the first one here is short date. You know, so in Excel you can change your format into date. So all we need to do is come to this place. Now there's a shortcut for it, right? For this thing there's a shortcut, and the shortcut for this you can say Ctrl Shift Hash. So we can come to our general and we'll go to date. So where it says short date. I'm going to transform our 500 into that. Okay, it's supposed to be 500, so it has transformed our 500 into that, which means it's talking about the days after 1901, because it starts reading from 1900. You get, so it starts reading from 1900 to that currency. So the next one is currency. Now we'll go to currency. We can see what we have there. I already formatted my workbook to automatically display Naira as a currency. So the next one we have here is percentage. So when we go to percentage, it will transform as 0.57 to 57%. And then we have the phone number. So now this is the deal. If you can't find phone number here, you can definitely go to where it says number. You can go to this dialog box, and you can look for special, and your special is where it says phone number. I'm going to click OK. It has transformed this to phone number. So we can go to accounting, and when we go to accounting, it's going to transform this, to accounting. Now you might be wondering, what is the difference between accounting and currency? Now if you look at this very well, you see there's kind of like a little difference between these two. Now first of all, you look at this. For your accounting, what your accounting does is that it aligns vertically. It always aligns vertically. But your currency gives you should I say, privilege to format it whichever way you want. You can add your minus and so on and so forth, to it. So that's why your currency is more popular than, is most commonly used than the accounting. But they give you the same format. So we have the long date, and you come to your long date, and you see the difference between the short date and long date. The long date has the day, the month, and automatically the year. And like I said, it's starting from 1900. So imagine 473,000 days from 1900 will be in June 10, which is obviously going to be Tuesday, 3197. I'm just wondering how that year is going to be like, what the world will be like. So we have SSN, social security number. So like again, if you come down here, you won't see your SSN. So what you need to do is go to your dialog box, go to your special, and you go to your SSN. Then you click your OK. It's going to give you the format, and then you have the scientific, which of course is going to it has already, oh sorry, I'm supposed to highlight this. It has already shown us what it's going to do. So it's going to place in a decimal form, but this time it's going to instead of just spreading numbers across, it's going to raise it to the power of the total numbers that appear before after 7, which is 14. So you calculate, you add your 14 zeros after your 7. So we have the next one is going to be fraction. So for our fraction, we'll come down to this. We're going to turn this to 1/2. Now normally if you should say 1/2 in Excel, it's going to give you a date. So it's going to give you a date, right? And though if you say 0.5, it's definitely going to give you a 0.5. So time. So this should give you a time when we format this. So it should give you a time, and this is our time, right? So we have looked at everything that is there, okay, apart from the text, which is just going to give you your text, just the way you have written it, right? So if I say I want to format this table to text, for example, before I write anything, I want to format this to a text. Then when I write my 1/2, I should get my 1/2. But if it has not been formatted to text, by the time I write my 1/2, it's going to be automatically formatted to a date, right? So, and like I said I was going to drop the shortcut to some of this. So although I'm going to write the shortcut, you're going to see it on the screen, right? So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more of my video tutorials.